Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert an image or photo to PDF in your Windows laptop or desktop computer. Now the first thing that you have to do is open a new browser and then go to this website called ilovepdf.com, and once you're here just scroll down a bit and then find this option which is JPG to PDF, and once you find it just click on it. Now from here all you need to do is click on select JPG images and then select your image or photo and then click on open. Now in here you'll get the option to select portrait or landscape. I'll just select landscape for this image since this image is in landscape mode. And if you want to add more images, you can just click on this plus icon and add more images. Now once you are done, just click on convert to PDF and we are basically done. Now just click on download PDF and here is our downloaded PDF. Now if we open it, you can see that the photo is in PDF format, and here you can see that the file is indeed in PDF format. And that is how you can convert your photo or image to PDF in your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.